into the ground. You might see some snow flurries in Arkadelphia. You might have a little bit of sleet here and there, mixing in with some freezing rain at times. This is not round three. Round three arrives later tonight, and it is going to be much more widespread. 28 currently in Little Rock, Pine Bluff, Conway, Russellville, 29 in Arkadelphia and Hot Springs, Batesville 25, Searcy right now at 26. And most of the entire state, with the exception of Texarkana, below that freezing mark by several degrees. So we saw no melting overnight. Road conditions probably not much different than what they were when you went to bed last night. Temperature-wise today, however, it's possible we do warm really close to that freezing mark. I think Little Rock will probably jump to about 33 degrees for a few hours. Is that enough for widespread improvements? No, not necessarily, but I guess it helps to some extent. You'll notice, though, a chance of rain starts to go up this evening. That is going to help bring those temperatures back down, especially after the sun sets. Unfortunately, below freezing temperatures, rain, well, you know the drill. We're going to have more ice on the way, and that's why the ice storm warning that was initially set to expire at noon today, it's been extended until noon tomorrow on account of round three moving into the area. It's this darker purple, all of eastern Arkansas, all of the metro, extending to the Oklahoma-Arkansas state line in places like Mena and Waldron and Fort Smith. This is going to be the primary concern, but you'll notice every county in Arkansas, all 75, now under some level of winter weather alert. I went to bed last night or the night before, I forget at this point, actually in Chico County, wasn't mentioned at all. Now you're in that ice storm warning. That just goes to show you things can and do change. Here's what we're going to be looking at noon today. We'll have some scattered activity in southern Arkansas. Not round three, certainly some scattered rain showers that's probably going to freeze upon contact with the surface, but we're expecting more widespread rain to move in tonight. You can see the first bit of evidence of that by 4 o'clock. We look towards the southwest. Here comes that big plume of moisture as it overrides Arkansas. It's going to be falling in an air mass that, as you will notice, is well below freezing. We're at 29 in Searcy, 31 in Little Rock, at the freezing mark in Arkadelphia by 7 o'clock tonight. Those rain showers continue building in, and at times they're going to be somewhat heavy, and there's where we're going to find our issues. Not only do we have freezing rain, we'll probably mix in some sleet on and off as well, and this continues specifically for the southern half of Arkansas through tomorrow morning. Here's some good news. By 7 o'clock, we're waking up and we're looking into South Arkansas. Yeah, we've still got some concerns. We've still got some freezing issues in Pine Bluff and Stuttgart. But what we're noticing are those temperatures slowly but surely starting to warm up. That freezing line lifts towards the north, and we start to see more of a rain event to close this out going into tomorrow afternoon. Our skies begin to clear out. Might even see a couple of breaks in those clouds, some sunshine, with temperatures by tomorrow afternoon, believe it or not, in the 40s. So we'll start to see a nice melt by later tomorrow. In the meantime, we just have to get through with what's on the ground now, plus everything that's going to fall tonight. And this is our additional impacts expected. Looks like the bullseye for round three is going to be pretty similar from Stuttgart into Monticello, Arkadelphia, Rison, Pine Bluff, even parts of Saline and Pulaski, Lonoke counties. Parts of the metro certainly could see anywhere between 1/10 and 3/10 of an inch, in addition to what's on the trees, what's on the power lines, what's on the roads right now. I think a good majority of us probably fall anywhere between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch. So certainly some additional impacts expected with this system. With temperatures warming up tomorrow, the rain will come to an end. We'll start to melt things off, and then look at this, a warming trend, a heat wave, if you will. 44 on Friday, 50 on Saturday. Not warm enough for you, no worries. 61 on Sunday. Now I think it's going to be muddy. I'm thinking selfishly I'm going to get the dogs outside this weekend, and I'm sure we will, but it is going to be muddy for the next few days. We'll be in the 60s through Tuesday of next week, with some rain chances back in the forecast on Tuesday. With temperatures as warm as they're going to be, it's just going to be that, just some rain.
Still ahead on Wake Up Central, we'll show you a silent side effect that comes with the job of